Visual Studio Code versus Dreamweaver. Visual Studio Code and Adobe Dreamweaver are both popular tools used by developers, but they serve different purposes and have distinct features. Here's a quick comparison to help you understand which might be better for your needs. VS Code is a powerful open-source code editor that's highly customizable and supports a vast range of programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, and many others. It's designed for developers who prefer to write code and offer an array of extensions of specific workflows. While Dreamweaver, developed by Adobe, is a professional web development and design tool that provides both a visual WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get, that editor and a code editor. It's often used by designers and developers who need to build visually appealing websites with drag and drop functionality while it's still having the option to write custom code. VS Code offers a clean and minimalistic interface that optimizes for coding, while Dreamweaver is a more design-oriented tool, because it's from Adobe of course, with a split view that allows users to visually design websites while also editing in the underlying code. VS Code is lightweight, fast, and highly customizable, supports for many programming languages, integrated Git support for version control, and powerful debugging tools and code linting, while Dreamweaver has the what you see is what you get editor for visual web design, code editor with syntax highlighting and auto-completion for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more, built-in FTP functionality for direct file uploads to web service, and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud for easy use of assets like images, fonts, and graphics. VS Code is favored by developers and programmers, especially those involved in web development, while Dreamweaver is aimed at both designers and developers who prefer a more visual approach to web development. VS Code is a free and open source, there are no hidden costs, and it's supported by a large community that contributes extensions and updates. Dreamweaver is a paid software, and it requires a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud. The pricing might be a bit high for those who are only looking for a basic web development tool. One of VS Code's strongest points is its customization. It offers a huge marketplace of extensions for virtually every use case, from language supports to themes, debuggers, and Git tools. While Dreamweaver also supports custom templates and code snippets, but it's not as flexible or extensible as VS Code. Its design-centric nature means it focuses more on ease of use rather than deep customization for complex development workflows. So, choose Visual Studio Code if you're a developer or programmer who needs a fast, flexible, and extensible code editor. It's perfect for users who prefer writing code and managing complex development tasks, especially for web and software development. If you're a designer or developer who wants to combine visual design tools and coding capabilities, choose Dreamweaver. It's ideal for building websites. In summary, VS Code is better suited for coders and developers, while Dreamweaver is geared toward designers and developers who want both a design and code-centric approach to web creation. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.